In this video, we're talking about the best mirrorless cameras under $1,000. With all the new cameras coming out, these prices have got to drop pretty soon. So let's get started. Hi, and welcome to It's Never Too Late to Learn. If you're new to the channel, my name is Charles Cabrera. If you want to learn with short and easy tutorials related to photography and videography, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Sony released the a6300 in February of 2016. Later that year, in November of 2016, the a6500 was released. And in February of 2019, the a6400 was released. Here are some features that these cameras all share. They all have the 24 megapixel APS-C sensors. They all have built-in Wi-Fi, so you can use Sony's ImageEdge mobile app to transfer photos and video. They all have great autofocus. They all use the Sony E-mount lenses, and they all do 4K video. So one of the improvements here with the a6500 is the color added to the menu. These tabs now have colors to them. Makes it a little bit easier to navigate. Also, notice on the top you have the extra custom menu button. The a6500 also comes with a improved grip. A little bit bigger grip here for your hand. It's kind of nice. Another improvement is the addition of the S&Q mode for your slow motion and time lapse. So that's built in to your camera already. And a big improvement that the a6500 has is the in-body image stabilization. Now the a6300 and the a6400 does not have that. So this is a big point if you're going to use lenses that don't have stabilization. You have it built into the camera body. So the screen is touch screen. You can turn this on and off, but when you touch, you can see where you're going to focus at. The a6500 no longer has the overheating problem when shooting in 4K. There's a new improved processor on here that you're going to be able to shoot faster. And it could be up to 307 images in a row. Both the a6300 and a6500 have flip-out screens. This can become a problem if you're trying to vlog and see yourself in the front of the screen and compose your shot. Not to mention that these cameras on both the screens will dim in 4K, and so if you're out in the bright sunlight, it will be very difficult to see yourself in the screen, but not on the a6400. Here it is. The latest Sony mirrorless camera, the a6400, has a flip-up touchscreen that does not dim in 4K. Improved autofocus, faster and more accurate. Real-time eye autofocus, tracks the eye of a subject. If you're shooting portraits, the camera will lock onto the eye. Increased ISO range. This is going to come in handy if you're shooting low light or very dark scenes. Improved menu system. There's a My Menu tab that is a custom menu option where you can add frequently used settings on that tab. And this is a good one. No record limit. Previously, there was a 30-minute record limit. And there you have it, your a6400. So let's look at prices. At the time of this video, the a6300 was $625. The a6400 was $898. and the A6500 was $1098. These are body only prices. So to summarize all this, the A6300 offers less, but it's cheaper. But if you're unhappy with all the other improvements with the other cameras, the A6300 is still a good choice. Now the A6500 has the in-body image stabilization, the bigger buffer, the touch screen. So it's a bit more pricier than the others by a little bit. But my favorite is A6400. It has the improved autofocus. It has the flip up screen, and I can do without the in-body image stabilization. So I would say the A6400 has to be my favorite. Question of the day: were you planning to buy one of these cameras? And if so, which one? Let me know in the comments below. So thanks for stopping by. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.